Good morning, dear students. Today we'll be discussing the terms solute, solvent, and solution. To understand these terms nicely, we need to do a small experiment. And for that, you need to add some salt to water and stir it. What do you observe? You would find that the salt mixes completely with water and is no longer visible. We can also say that the salt dissolves completely in water. A solid that dissolves in a liquid is called a solute, and over here, salt is a solute. The liquid in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. In this case, water is the solvent. The liquid which is obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called the solution. Hence, the salty water that we get when salt dissolves in water is the solution. You might notice that water level remains the same even after the solute has dissolved in the solvent. Next, we'll be discussing about what happens when a solute dissolves in a solvent. Again, for this we need to do a small experiment. Take some water in a beaker. Use a permanent marker to mark the level of water. Now, add a spoon of sugar and stir it well. After the sugar has dissolved, note the level of water in the beaker again. You will find that the level of water in the beaker remains almost the same. We can also say that there was no increase in the volume of the solvent when the solute was dissolved completely. Now, what does this indicate? It indicates that the molecules of sugar have not taken up any extra space. And this is just because of the fact that water is a liquid. So, there is a lot of space between the water molecules. On dissolving salt in water, the molecules of salt occupy these empty spaces and need no extra space. Thus, the volume of the solution and the solvent remains almost the same. That's all for the day. Thank you. God bless.